Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment located here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to look at the Ferris ISX-3300 zero-turn mower with a 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This engine is fuel injected. You can find this mower as well as others on our website at sleequipment.com. So as you guys can see here, we have the Ferris ISX-3300 zero-turn mower with a 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Again, that engine is fuel injected. This unit is new for the year 2021. Took the place of the IS3200Z. So on the ISX3300, you have your stabilizer bars located here in the front. Again, the cutting deck on this unit is 61 inches. This cutting deck is fabricated. Has cast iron spindles, which are greasable. This unit also comes with a suspension seat with armrest and also a headrest as well. On the suspension seat, turn to the right to increase and to the left to decrease according to your weight. This unit comes with 11 gallons of gas it holds. Has two tanks on this unit, one on here on the left hand side and one on the right. Each tank holds 5.5 gallons, and they also come with a gas gauge for each tank. This unit comes with the 26-inch drive tires, as you can see here. And again, I said it earlier, this is a fuel injected. It's the Kawasaki. It's the model FX1000V. Again, it's a 38.5 horsepower. Also, I forgot to mention earlier that to toggle between the gas tanks, it had this lever located here. And pretty much just turn that on whichever tank you want your gas to pull through. Also, the battery is located underneath the seat as well. Transmissions on this are the Hydro Gear ZT5400s. This unit also has the rollover protective system for the ROPS bar, the safety feature on this unit. Here on the right hand side, you have your other gas tank, as I mentioned earlier, as well as your control panel. Here you have your PTO switch, which engages and disengages the blades, your ignition switch, your throttle. Press up to increase, down to decrease. Also, your hour meter is located here as well. Parking brake for this unit is located right here on the right hand side. That's your parking brake. To adjust the seat, pull the lever in and the unit slides forward or backwards. Cutting heights on this unit is 1.5 to 5 inches. Pretty much pull the pin, set your height. You have your foot assist here, press on that and pull this lever to the right, and that'll lower your cutting deck. This unit also comes with a standard grass chute as well, which is rubber. The warranty on this unit is 4 years or 500 hours, whichever comes first. Again, this is the full commercial unit. Again, this is a 60-inch cut, so this is definitely for your large properties. Ferris makes a very comfortable ride. As you see, it has the suspension springs located here in the front and in the rear. So again, if you guys have any further questions, definitely give us a call. That number is 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.